Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union. They are offering up to $500 in a nice little buffet of bonuses. So they got checking bonuses, they got CD bonuses, they got savings bonus, and this is a nationwide offer. So a whole bunch of stuff to make a whole bunch of money in this video. Before jumping into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am planning on signing up for this. I'm not currently a customer of U.S. Senate FCU. I am not affiliated by them. I'm not endorsed by them. They don't have any type of referral program. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. So all the screenshots are from their website, and all the information is current as the time of this recording. So when was the last time your bank paid you for a buffet of different types of bonuses? So that's what we're talking about. I love these buffet type bonus offers from banks because they're very profitable. How profitable? Well, I have a $3 million bonus or $3 million challenge. I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023. So if you can appreciate profitable content and you want to eat your lunch just like as easy as my friend the bareback here has lunch jump back into his mouth. So give this video a huge thumbs up. Definitely appreciate that. All right, before jumping in, I do have a quick shout out to M1 Finance. I am an affiliate for M1 Finance. If you haven't heard of their owner's reward credit card, you can get up to $2,400 in cash back per year. So this is one of the best credit cards in the year 2023. If that's something you're interested in getting some information about, I do have a link to that video up there. All right, so moving along. So for U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union, this is available nationwide, and there is I couldn't find an expiration date mentioned on there, so we'll just call it none mentioned for right now. But as of course, any bonuses can change at any time. So there's that. So U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union does offer $500 in credit card funding, which is awesome. That's one of my favorite ways to make money during the application process. Here is something that got nerfed. I want to give a quick update. So Magnify, I made a video about them, and I shut down my checks. I stopped applying for anything, and then finally I just want to jump into this because there's easy money to be made here. And it used to say credit card funding 5,000, then they nerfed it down to 500. Now it's down to credit card 100, which is not good. So Magnify, I put in the title for Magnify. So literally, as soon as I got approved for the card, I just got the debit card in the mail today. So they literally just nerfed their offer. And this is, I get a whole bunch of emails. Hey, how do you get, in on all of these things? Like, even if you get in, not all the really good offers stay good for long. So that's why it's called fishing and not catching. So in light of this, I'm going to make another video about a credit union that does offer funding. So stay tuned to that. So Magnify Financial, they got nerfed. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I got a link to the video here, but it's no longer 500 or 5,000 in funding. It's down to 100, which is sad. Anyways, so good things don't always last forever. All right, so U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union joining is easy. Lifetime membership's only $6, which is pretty nice. Complete your USS FCU membership straight from your desktop or mobile device. You can open your account used by visiting a branch or calling this number. You can apply online. Must apply for membership using promo code BONUS to be eligible to receive any of the bonus rewards advertised in this promotional. So be sure to use BONUS. Here is a link to the offer, which is not too long. You can screenshot that and type it into a new tab. You can hit the QR code here, link in the description box down below, or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So here's what happens when you click on there, new member bonus. So here's the first one. Actually, let me go back here. Yeah, so here's all the different offers, but the first one is right here. Open your free Senate checking account and opt in to receive your free Visa debit card. Use your new debit card to make 5 purchases, $5 minimum. I don't know if it's $5 in total, because I guess they don't want you to do the Amazon reload thing where you can do 50 cents, 51, 52, 53, 54 cents. But I don't know if it's $5 minimum each. So you spend $25 in total, or you can spend $1, $1, $1, $1, $2, $3, $4, and have $5 go. Anyway, so you get $100 bonus. So even if you spend 25, you literally get $100 just for that. So that's pretty easy. And my reaction on this is they really couldn't have made it any easier. They just throwing $100 at you just because they want to. I mean, using your debit card 5 times to snag $100. That's really easy. The second one is a direct deposit bonus. So you got to get two. Oh, we'll go back. You got to get 2 qualifying direct deposits of $250 or more each within 60 days of account opening. So there's that. It's your direct deposit of regular monthly income, such as salary, pension, Social Security benefits, which are made by your employer or other payer, using account and routing number that you provide to them. Teller deposits, wire transfers, debit card transactions, ATM transfers, deposits online, and mobile banking transfers or deposits. Transfers from a bank or brokerage account or investment account do not qualify. So, yeah, I think they don't want Schwab transfers. So if you hit that, you'll get $100 added within 30 to 60 days after your qualifying activities. So $100 on $500 in direct deposits, that's like giving yourself a 20% raise on that $500. That's really, really nice. And that's really, really sweet if you're one of those blessed people who can take your direct deposit and just move it into however many places you want. So just give them the minimal amount and you get a $100 bonus. So there's a $100 money market account bonus to where if you put in $2,000 into the money market account, you'll get $100, which will be added within 30 to 60 days following the 6-month mark. So their rates are really not that impressive considering how much the Fed has raised rates. So if you got to put in 2,000, so you get 1.26% APY, which is 1.25 minimum balance. And the more you put in, like if you put in over 500,000, you get 1.87, which is really not that impressive. But nonetheless, $100 on the 2K bonus, that's 5%. So 1.26% plus 5%, that's 6.26%, which is a very nice gain on 2K. And you only need to keep it in there until you get the bonus. So that's pretty nice as well. Then you have a $200 share certificate. Y'all know what I think about share certificates. I absolutely love them. So if you have a minimum balance of $5,000 and you have a term of at least 24 months, you earn a $200 bonus, which is really nice. You'll get the $200 bonus within 30 to 60 days after the 6-month mark. And their CDs are actually really nice. So the 24 month are right here. So less than $99,999. You get 5.05%, which is 5.18% APY. They also have 3-month certificates. I'm personally curious. They have a really nice rate for 3 months as well, 3.05 APY. I wonder if they have additional credit card funding. Inquiring minds want to know. So $200 on 5K, that's another 4% for the first year. So 4% plus the 5.18% APY equals 9.18% year 1 return. I mean, that is just very nice. And this is all stuff that you can't lose any of these gains. It's not like the stock market where you jump in and then it goes down and you lose money. That's never fun. So bank account bonus central verdict. I like these, what I call buffet style bonuses. Very nice returns with minimal efforts. I recommend this nationwide offer. I will soon be joining in on this as soon as I unfreeze my checks again. All right, today's question is, what should we do when somebody does us wrong? So this happens far too often, and often our reaction is to be bitter and angry and spiteful and vengeful, and that's what the flesh part of us wants to do. But what does Scripture say? So Ephesians 4:31 says, "Get rid of all bitterness, rage, anger, harsh words, and slander, as well as all types of evil behavior." Yeah, don't react like you really want to. Colossians 3:13 says, "Make allowance for each other's faults and forgive one another who offends you. Remember, the Lord forgave you, so you must forgive others." So imagine how much better life would be if we really lived this way, understanding that we've done a lot against God, and since He's forgiven us, we can forgive others. So additional information, this has absolutely changed my life. So how to follow Jesus, there's a link to gotquestions.org in the description box down below if you're interested in that. I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, hit me up, trainingadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you rather quickly. So with that, if you're still here with me, definitely appreciate that. Like the video if you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be interested and be able to profit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. And with that, look forward to seeing the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.